Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this question, and it says a stimulant, Ritalin, has been shown to increase attention span and improve academic performance in children with ADHD. To demonstrate the effectiveness of the drug, a researcher selects a sample of 20 children diagnosed with the disorder and measures each children's attention span before and after taking the drug. The data show an average increase of attention span of a mean of 4.8 minutes with a variance of 125, which means that the standard deviation is the square root of that. So the square root of 125 is 11.2. We'll just round to the tenths place. For the sample of different scores, is the result sufficient to conclude that Ritalin significantly improves attention span? Use a two-tailed test with a significance level of 0.5, so plus or minus 0.5. Show your work, determine the size of the treatment effect if the result was significant. Compute the 95% confidence interval for the mean change in attention span for the population. Write a sentence that demonstrates how the study results would appear in a research report. So first of all, in order to do this, so we have a mean of 4.8. A sample size is 20 children, and a sample standard deviation is 11.2. And so what you have to first do is you have to calculate your t-score. And so using this significance level of 0.5, you're going to do 1 minus 0.5 divided by 2, and that's going to be 0.975. And then what you have to do is you have to calculate your t-score. So 0.975, and then your degree of freedom is 19. So your t-score is going to be 2.093 when you look at the t-chart. So you're going to take 4.8, you're going to do plus or minus 2.093 times your standard deviation of 11.2 divided by the square root of 20. So then you have 4.8 plus or minus 2.093 times 2.5044, and then you have 4.8 plus or minus 5.2418. And so then you have 4.8 minus 5.2418, and you have negative 0.4418. And then if you add them together, you're going to get 10.0418. So we can say no, the results are not sufficient to conclude that Ritalin significantly improves attention because 0 is within the confidence interval. And when you get 0 in your confidence interval, 0 means no change. And so there could be perhaps no change at all. So I hope that this video helps you. This is a middle school math teacher signing out.